Hi GreenStalk gardeners, my name is Cody Thomas and I'm the Director of Operations here at GreenStalk. Today I'm going to be talking to you about a new product, the GreenStalk Seed House. It is basically a little mini greenhouse for the pocket of a GreenStalk. It's great for starting seeds, for germinating seeds, for small plants, keeping them protected and keeping the moisture in the pocket. This was really a passion project of my dad's, Jack. He has talked about trying to cover the pockets of the GreenStalk for years. Kind of something different than a frost cover, but something that would help germinate the seeds and then also keep moisture in and kind of be customizable for each pocket of the planter so that you didn't have to throw like a frost cover over absolutely everything in the planter. You could do some things from seed and you could also do some things from starter plants and kind of mix and match what you want based on your needs. And so finally we came up with this design here, which was our first iteration. They made a mold to kind of test this out, send it out to different people, see if this would be a helpful item, a helpful addition to the GreenStalk. And we got positive feedback on this. We did some testing ourselves too with some tomato plants and pepper plants that had really positive results. And so when this one got approved, we loved the design of it, or the functionality of it, but we did not love the design of it, the look of it. And so over the process of kind of trying to make something beautiful for the garden, not just functional, we came up with this design that looks like a little seed house, and we love the way that it turned out. So I'll show you how to put it on a planter now. So you can see I already have a couple here. This is a kale plant that's growing in an evergreen leaf basic, and you can just pop these on and pop them off as needed. They kind of fit snugly to the planter there. They fit the snuggest to the leaf planter, so that's what this is, and they also can go on the top tier. You can tell that it's a little different of a design, and they also work for the original planters as well, but they're great for starting seeds, for protecting small plants, for kind of help keeping that moisture in the pockets. And we wanted to create something that wasn't just functional, but that was also beautiful for your garden. You know, a lot of things can function well in the garden, but we're looking at this thing all day. We wanted to make sure that it was something that was beautiful that you could enjoy in your garden. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we hope you love these seed houses as much as we do. They are available in sets of 6 at greenstockgarden.com. Happy gardening!